everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is walk you through step by step how you can pick up your very own Tangem Ring. So we've talked about Tangem probably almost every episode. It's definitely my go-to everyday carry for crypto wallets. So instead of just having your Tangem card, you will also have a Tangem Ring that you can carry around with you. So you can still use this or the ring, and you can carry them both with you. So we'll talk about that and more. So if you guys do get something out of this, smash the like button, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you've already ordered your Tangem Ring. So if you guys want, what will help you as well is if you head over to the link tree. In the link tree, you will have a direct link. So we will use that as well throughout this video. So the first thing I want to get into here, and I got some notes, is what is the Tangem Ring? So if we head over to Twitter, also X, here you got Tangem. So if you guys want to keep up to date with what's going on with Tangem, you can check this out as well. So Tangem, what they do is they create a small card. It's a cold storage card. Looks just like this. It's the Tangem wallet. And instead of having your cryptos on a centralized exchange, you can load them up on here, tap it to your phone using an app, and you own your seed phrase. So you own your private keys. And that is called self-custody or non-custodial. So custodial would be where somebody else holds your keys for you. So effectively, you also have the capability of writing down your 12-word mnemonic seed phrase. And if you ever lose a device, you still have your crypto. So crypto assets, digital assets in general, they are held on the blockchain. What this does is it allows you to store the keys to sign transactions and encrypt it through the device. So now they also offer the Tangem Ring. So guys, use code MOOSE, save 10% off either the card or the ring. So the first thing you want to do here is figure out your ring size, okay? So the ring size is going to be crucial. And one way you can do this is to use the link tree, go to Tangem Wallet. So here you're already going to have the promo code to save 10% off. And to help boost this channel, go to Ring, okay? So once you're under Ring, you can hit pre-order now. You can also check out the features. So this is a stunning device. I've already heard good things about it, and they're now going to be, what do you call it? They're going to be shipping these out. So I've already done previous videos on this. So you're going to hit pre-order. And then from there, you're going to select your ring size. So how do you find your ring size? Well, there is this size guide here. Click on that and you can watch a YouTube video. But I'm also going to share with you how you can do it. I already printed out this nice sheet of paper. So there are a couple different ways that we can go about it. So to get this sheet of paper, all you're going to do is go to Ring Sizing Guide. So click on that and you have this nice PDF. So print this out. Make sure that you guys print it out at 100% because this needs to be very accurate. A couple of other things you can do as well. If you guys head over to a ring shop or, perhaps you already have a ring, there are a couple of tools you can use. So one is a ring thing. You can pick them up on Amazon. I don't have a code or anything for that. So for me, I am in between sizes. I'm between 9 and 10. So you don't even have to buy this. Just go to a ring place. Tell them, hey, I need to get my ring size. I'm sure they'll do it for you. The other thing is a device like this. So if you already have a ring and you know it fits, so let's say this is your size, you put it on like this, and wherever it lands, that's the ring size. So for this one, it would be a 9.5. I think that's actually my ring size. So yeah, so for me, I want to put it on my right hand. Depends where you want to put it on your pinky or whatever it may be. I recommend the ring finger. So it's the one right next to your pinky. That's the Moose's ring size. So I'm between a 9 and a 10. I'm going to end up going with the 10. But that's what you can do. You can also cut this thing out. So you should also have some scissors. So I'll do this pretty swiftly here. So you got 3 different options. You could also just measure a piece of string or a piece of paper. And if you guys measure the piece of paper around your finger and then measure the paper, that's one way you can do it. So you can do that with, you know, any kind of installation really. So this is what this looks like. So the moose is pretty good at arts and crafts. So all I'm going to do is put B through A. So here we're going to put B through A. So all we're going to do now is put B through A, and I'm going to put it around my finger. And this will give us our ring size. So if I put this tight, and again, you want to put it where the ring's going to be, something comfortable. So it's showing that I am around 11 or 10. So if I go a little bit tighter, I'm at a 10. I'm definitely going to want to be around a 10. So a 9 feels tight, but a 10 is pretty good. Maybe a little loose, but that's what we want for the loose moose, right? So that's definitely where I'm at. And this is pretty nifty. So very simple to do. All right, so I'm going to be at the 10 mark, going to be similar to something else in the moose's life. So that's what we're at there. If you want, you guys can do that as well. Print out the PDF. Once you do that, I want you guys to head over to the link tree again, or you can back up. Now that we know our ring size, let's choose our size here. So moose is between a 9 and 10, and we are going to select a 10. So I feel like in 18.89 in millimeters, that's going to be too tight. I tried it out with these. So we're definitely going to have to lean towards the 10. So let's go with that. And now we can pre-order our Tangem Ring. The next step is to put in our shipping details. So let's do that. All right, so we put in our shipping address along with our email. We're now going to continue to payment. Now we have our shipping options, and I'm just going to do standard delivery. Then we're going to click on payment. So I have agreed. And here you have a couple of different options. So you could either use Visa, crypto payment, which is pretty cool. You could also do PayPal. So pretty interesting there. All right, so now we're going to use our credit card that the moose. All right, so now we're going to use a credit card that we stole from somebody off the street. One thing to keep in mind, you do not want to use your money. You have to mug somebody on the street and use their card. If you don't do that, you're not a loose moose. Guys, I'm just kidding. Do not steal somebody else's credit card. Don't do that. All right, so I just put in my credit card information. What we're going to do now is hit pay, and our total is $154.99 USD. So we're saving 10% off, and this is a premium product, so keep that in mind. And success. The moose got loose on a Tangem Ring. So once this comes in, we're going to be doing an unboxing, a setup video, etc. So this is fantastic. It looks like, yeah, we saved our 10% there. And with our shipping, of course, it's going to be a little bit more. So for myself as a Canadian, this is going to equate to closer to $200 Canadian. But it's just the way it is. So guys, definitely comment down below if this got you pumped, if it helped you out. Guys, use code MOOSE. Follow the Linktree steps. You guys know what to do. Pre-order your Tangem Ring using code MOOSE. And with that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.